got to be Niall.
Yeah,
It's got to be Niall. No question.
Just from sick. Just happen to be one of those people.
Yeah, just good at everything.
Just an all-rounder, really.
Yeah. What's your go-to?
Are you worth your weight in gold? 'Cause you're behind my eyelids when I'm home. Hey, stranger, I want you to catch me like
I want to sell out arenas and make an album and work with some of the best artists in the world.
I'm Niall. I'm a big fan of Italian food.
Just chilling out my box.
Ooh.
Chicken fillet's my favourite word to say.
I was going to say tiny trips to outside girls' school. Yeah, because I walk past girls' schools all the time. The hell? Of course I don't.